Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. This week is Computer Science Education Week, which is especially relevant in the age of AI. Our featured course is Where Will I Find the Money? This course is designed for business owners who are preparing themselves and their companies to seek financing and want to understand how to get ready and improve their chances of approval. Rob Leslie, owner of Computer Solutions Unlimited, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below to learn more about him and his business. Is your business making so much money that you don't know what to do with it? If not, you definitely want to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Stacey Hylen about finding hidden profits. Last week, I spoke with Dane Kirksey about ChatGPT for small business, how to sell more, market smarter, and communicate better. Check out the video highlights below. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with Jerome Hutchinson about the relationship between revenue and relationships. Additional events this week. Equal Space is hosting holiday market spaces in Newark on Tuesday and Thursday. On Wednesday, the African American Chamber of Commerce of New Jersey invites us to their holiday mixer and annual meeting at the Princeton Marriott. Then on Thursday, the statewide Hispanic Chamber of Commerce is hosting an awards gala at the Legacy Castle in Pequannock, New Jersey. And then on Friday, I'll be the keynote speaker at the Mon Metro Chamber of Commerce, an annual meeting and celebration at Carnegie One in Braddock, Pennsylvania. Also, I hope that you can join me at the Do Good Business Holiday event in Newark, New Jersey next Monday. Click the link below to learn more and register. Get more details on these events below in the POW, and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details. I look forward to helping you make 2025 your best year ever. And always remember, the more that you know, the faster your business will grow.